time we will tell you, okay? Otherwise, I'll drop you off the class.
Good morning, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. So we are going to continue. Yeah, we are going to continue our last chapter, which we are doing, mapping your way, chapter number 8. So first we learn about directions. Again, we are going to do the recap on what are the directions and how to find the directions. And then we will do some textbook exercises. After that, I will give you the revision of previous chapters which I mentioned in the classroom as a Google form. So let's start our class.
In this module, you will learn directions on a map.
Ma'am, can you turn off
Where
the
do you
mic?
want to go this?
I switch off my mic.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
so we
ma'am.
can hear it properly.
Because if you keep it on, then it echoes.
Summer?
Srinagar.
Very good. Can you tell me in which state Srinagar is situated?
Renu ma'am, mic.
So children, you all learn about city, state, country. In which subject you learn about these things?
EVS. Ma'am, SS. Ma'am, social
SSL,
science.
social
Social
science.
science.
Yes. So you learn about map, right? And city, state. Now listen this question carefully. And again, I will come back.
Where do you want to go this summer?
Srinagar.
Very good. Can you tell me in
Children, when you go somewhere, right, for your holidays, you should know that where this place is located. Now, when I will show you again that video, in that video, the child wants to go to the Srinagar. So the now teacher is asking where the Srinagar is located. So when you see the map, you will exactly see the directions. You will exactly see where it is located.
which state Srinagar is situated?
Yes, it is situated in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Very good. Do you know in which direction Jammu and Kashmir is situated from our
See, now in map, the upside is always north. In the physical map of India, the upside is north, the downside is the south, and
South.
yeah, and right side will be your west, and left side will be your east.
East.
Yes. So Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar is in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Kashmir.
Now that child is moving from Bhopal to Jammu and Kashmir. Now first we have to see where the Bhopal is located. Yes, my dear Vrishank.
Srinagar is located in Ladakh.
Yeah, and Kashmir also, yes.
our city Bhopal?
Now check.
Ma'am, but Jammu and Kashmir
Yes,
are separated.
I know. Jammu
Yeah.
and Kashmir is situated in the north. Which states will you cross to reach Jammu and Kashmir from our city?
He is at present in Bhopal, and Bhopal is, I'm going to show you again. Bhopal is here in Madhya Pradesh. And if he wants to go from Madhya Pradesh to Jammu and Kashmir, so which all the cities and state he will cross?
Jammu and Kashmir from our city? I think
Can you help Sid in finding the states he will cross to reach Jammu and Kashmir from Bhopal?
let us see the states Sid will cross to reach Jammu and Kashmir. He will start from Bhopal, cross Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, New Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and then he will enter the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Then finally, he will reach Srinagar. So, we have to cross 5 states and the National Capital Territory to reach Srinagar. Very good.
Teacher, I'll go to Kerala during this summer vacation.
Can you tell me in which direction will you go from Bhopal to reach Kerala?
I think it is in the south.
Yes, you are right.
Ma'am, I will go to Kolkata this vacation, and I think it is towards the east from Bhopal.
Yes, you are right.
Ma'am, I will go to Rajkot this summer vacation, and I think it lies west to the city of Bhopal.
Let's recap. Here we saw the 4 directions, north, south, east and west, with respect to the city of Bhopal on the map of our country, India. Similarly, we can find the directions with respect to any place. Example 1. To go to Bengaluru from Delhi, we'll have to head south. 2. To go to Patna from Hyderabad, we'll have to head north. In this module,
See, the direction changes that which place you are keeping as a center and where you are moving. If you are moving from Gujarat, right? If you are moving from Gujarat to Delhi, so which direction you will go? You can see my hand. Yes, you can see my hand because I am exactly showing you the way it is in the map. If you are going from Gujarat to Delhi, you will move towards the north. Yes. If you are moving from Kerala to Bhopal, then also you are going from Kerala to Bhopal.
South.
Kerala to Bhopal, it will be north. Yes. And if you are moving from, see again, I will show you the picture of your map and then I will ask. Then it will be easy for you to understand. See, okay, if you are moving from Rajasthan, right? From Rajasthan, if you are moving to Assam, so which side you will go? Yes.
East.
East. And if you are going, yes, if you are going from Madhya Pradesh to Rajasthan, if you are going
West.
north,
Northwest.
from Madhya Pradesh to Rajasthan will be, yes.
Because
And we will learn about is in northwest, right? Please switch off your mics.
Who is making that sound?
Yes, Nishika. So more about the direction, I will show you one more video.
Ma'am, we have to write something in our notebooks.
Yeah, I will let you know when to write.
Okay, ma'am.
See, there are different
Aman
kinds
is
of
lost in
maps.
an unknown place. He has the map of the place. Map has directions. Now, which is east and which is west? Now it is 6 o'clock. So, if he stands facing sun, he would be facing east. His back would be facing west. Look,
Please switch
his
off your
right
mics.
hand would be towards south and left hand would be towards north. Look at the diagram. If you find east, you can find the other directions easily. North,
Renu ma'am. Renu ma'am,
west
mic.
is in between.
Renu ma'am, mic.
If you know the east exactly, you will able to know the other directions.
Between north and west. Northeast is in between north and
See, now check.
Ma'am, if the state or any place is in the between, so which direction it will?
Yeah, that we are learning, no?
Yeah.
See, the direction between north and east will be northeast. The direction between south and east will be southeast. Between south and west will be southwest. And between west and north will be northwest.
east. Southeast is in between south and east. Southwest is in between south and west. Now, how can a map tell us the distance between the two places? To know that, you have
See, in map, it is showing like you have to walk 1 kilometer and then this place will come, and then after that there is a 2 kilometer distance. So will they draw 2 kilometer line, or they draw 3 kilometers line?
No, ma'am.
No, they
I have a
give
question.
some marks.
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
So they give some marks, means the center points, and accordingly they write that this distance is the 1 kilometer, this is the 2 kilometer, but they are not drawing, because if you draw 2 kilometer road, it will be a long big map. We will not able to draw in a piece of paper, right?
Ma'am, I have a question.
So we use some symbols and some paths to draw a map. Yes, Yash Malhotra, tell me.
Ma'am, in the map, how we can see that where we are?
See, if you are here and you want to go to school, you are at your place, right? You are at your place, you want to go to the school. So you have to see in the map that which there are different maps available. Your road maps, your city maps, your country maps, your world maps, your Surat city map. So you have to see in the Surat city map. Nowadays, the Google apps are also available, which you are using when you are driving in the car. And if you want to go some place or the
Yes, ma'am.
destination, you use the Google map. Google map will give you the navigations, right? To go left,
Ma'am,
to
it
go
will
right.
say
and you will-
also that you are going to north, you are going to east.
Yes, it give you the directions also where you are going. Yes. So this way the map help us to where you want to reach, where you want to go, and where you are, right? Now this child is confused in the video that he lost, and the last you have seen, no, in that the child was lost, that's where he was. So if he know the direction, he can easily reach.
between north and east. Southeast is in between south and east. Southwest is in between south and west. Now, how can a map tell us the distance between the two places? To know that, you have to know how a map is made. Aman made the map of his house. Look, one line or stick means 4 meter.
It's easily
So, length of his
audible
house
to you,
is
children.
9 sticks. So,
Yeah, it's
length is
audible, but
9 into
it's
4
echoing.
is equal to 36
Okay, I will
meter.
switch off.
And the width is 7 sticks. So, width is 7 into 4 is equal to 28 meter. So, this is how we scale distance in real life onto a map. We draw maps with north direction pointing upward. So, the main entrance of Aman's house is on north. Now, Aman wants to show his room. There is a chair, table and a bed. These maps are called floor maps. We use symbols to denote things in map because there is very little space. We show big rooms, big areas in a small paper. So, we use symbols. Say this is a floor map of a cottage with one room. So, it has 3 windows and a door. But there is no windows beside door. So, it is floor map of first building. The third window is on back side. We use symbols in maps. Look, Aman made a map of his small town. H means hospital. S means school. PO means post office. P means park. B means
Ma'am, I want to say that whenever we are getting that plan of floor
Yes.
that was shown, in that there is written in the at the down that this much foot is the room is this much foot and that.
Yes. So, when you see the floor maps, right? In the floor maps, some symbols are used to tell you that this place, identify this, at this place is this thing is there, windows are there, doors are there. Or you can use the symbols of letters also, like in that map it was used for the post office PO, for school S. So there are different kinds of maps are available, and you can also create your own map. I will give you some worksheets based on that same, that you have to frame your map.
bank. Triangle marks mean Pakka houses. Remember, north side is always up. Aman is standing near the hospital. One bank is in north of the hospital. Post office is in southwest of the hospital.
See, now you were telling, no,
We
if
can
it is
get a good
between,
idea of
so
town
if
from
this
this
is
map,
south,
isn't it?
is the west, so
The
this will be
house where he is
southwest.
staying is in east of the park.
Now this
Look,
bank,
he
wait,
can easily
now this bank, which is here, is in which direction from the hospital? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, west.
Ma'am, west.
Please see, if this is here, hospital is here in the center, and this bank is here. So the which direction?
Ma'am, north.
North is up, south is down.
Southeast.
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 Yes.
Land.
Yes. Now if
East also and south also.
and this bank is in which direction?
Northeast.
Very good. It's in northeast. And
Northeast.
this police office is in which direction?
Northwest.
Northwest. Yes.
Northwest.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Good.
your voice is echoing.
Yeah. I will check it. When everyone will switch off their mics. Nishika, please switch off.
Hear your voice.
Please
Switch off
mute
your mic.
yourself, everyone. That is why it is echoing.
Okay. Now everyone open your textbook page number 112.
Ma'am, I cannot hear your voice.
You switch, log out and log in again, Prithvi. Everyone can hear me? Please show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am, you are clear.
Ma'am, did you stop the
Please.
presentation?
Yeah, I have stopped already.
Okay, ma'am.
Renu, ma'am,
Yeah.
I want to show you one floor map.
Yeah, ma'am,
Can I?
please. Yes, yes.
Are you able to see?
See, children. Ma'am is going to, yes, ma'am, we can see it. Children, pin ma'am, Madhuri ma'am, she is going to show you one floor map.
You
See
can see
all,
the north direction on the top.
yes. And you can see which place is where it is available. The kitchen is where. This is the floor map of a flat, right, ma'am?
Yes,
Dining
ma'am.
hall is where,
Yeah.
right? And where is the kitchen? And where are the different places available?
There is one more like this.
This is for rivers.
No, this is for the direction of the flat where it is
Flat.
located.
Yes.
So we can see here.
Yeah. This is the directions north, south, east, and west. According to you, that you have to follow this map.
Thank
So,
you.
children, you also please collect some maps. It comes in the newspapers also every day. Some flat maps. Some people put the advertisement in the floor maps. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
So
what
please-
we will do of those maps?
You please collect and show it to me.
We have to show you on Thursday.
Yeah. And you can also search on Google also, and you can present your screen and show it to me. Different maps. Different maps also. Different maps like river maps, floor maps. Please, Ishana, switch off your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Different maps like rivers map also there, like your city map also there, country map also there, right? Like India. So different maps also there where you can see where the place is exactly located. When you go for holidays also. So when before planning, your parents also see the map that where we are going, in which place it is located, and which all the places we have to cross before reaching there. Yes, देखते हैं ना parents. कि when we want to go to I belongs to Rajasthan. If I go to Rajasthan, तो स्टेशन कौन कौन से बीच में आते हैं, है ना? स्टॉप होती है ना? सब कौन से स्टेशन पे ट्रेन रुकती है? That everything is available on the maps.
Where
Train.
the river is, where the road is stopped.
Yes, where the rivers are there, where the road, where the train will stop. So that's why we are learning about the map. हमें map इन चीजों में help करते हैं, and we are relating the maps with the mathematics. Because until and unless we will not use the mathematic calculation, we will not able to make the map. Why? Because 4 centimeter की road को map पे कैसे दिखाना है? Right?
This is related to kilometers, centimeters.
Yeah, this is related to how much kilometer the road has. Right? Measuring. That's why we are relating the mapping. Please switch off your mic.
Excuse
That's
me, ma'am.
why, yeah, Rishank, tell me.
मैम, मुझे एक मुंबई की बात समझ नहीं आई.
क्या नहीं समझ आया? Can you please speak in English?
Ma'am, when
Yeah.
everyone says that Mumbai is a very big city, but when you see map, it looks a very small city.
Yeah,
ma'am?
but when you look into the map or what?
I'm looking in the map of India.
Yeah, but the space will be there because if they give a big space in the map, so where they will place the other cities, right? Compared to the other cities, compares to the other cities, they will give, and they will, they will give in a map of India, they will give a Maharashtra. They will not exactly in the map of India, it will not exactly mention where the Mumbai is. But when you see the city map, in map of India, you will see the state, Maharashtra. And in Maharashtra, there is a Mumbai, right? So when you see the city map, then you will able to see the Mumbai. But they give little space in that map, because if they give big space to Mumbai only, then where they will apply to the other cities? Because map is small only. Map is a small thing which you can carry, fold also. You have learned, no? That globe you cannot carry everywhere. But map you can, it's a paper. It's on the paper. So map you can carry. So if it is a small piece of paper and you have to mention everything, so little space only will come. But if you see comparing with the other states and the other cities, the space is little larger. Yes? Understood, Richard?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's do this, so that after that we will do the Google form also on the revision. Children, my screen has stopped. My presentation has stopped.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I'm going to present you one more video on the basis of your textbook exercises, and I will send it into your classroom also. So please see it carefully.
Thank you, Prakriti, for putting the message. You make facial expressions and everything is getting recorded. Brishika Vyas, why are you presenting?
Ma'am, I thought that she's singing because she was dancing like that only.
She is singing only and she is making faces. I don't want to disturb the class like this.
Children, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The another video is visible to you, which I am going to show you.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It is
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
your presentation has gone.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now we can see. Yes, ma'am. Now we can see.
Can you see the map of India written here?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
mapping your way, chapter number 4. Open your page.
Yes, ma'am.
Targeted learning outcome for the first topic are students will be able to read the map and correlate with actual location and position of places, roads, etc. Now the question
Ma'am,
arises,
no.
why do we need?
Ma'am, the video is stuck, I suppose. It's not moving.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the voice is also low.
Yes, ma'am. The voice is low. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Very low.
And it is showing the map. Ma'am, the video is paused.
Okay, my dear. Wait a minute.
You need to wait. Devanshi, stop blubbering.
I'm going to present. Please, children, please, sir.
Like mad people, I don't know what they keep on speaking on the. We can see
Audible now,
everyone.
ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Children, am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your presentation.
But there is no presentation, ma'am.
Devanshi? Devanshi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
No, ma'am has left the
Ma'am
meeting,
left.
I suppose. Yeah, ma'am has left the meeting. She'll join back. Don't worry.
Devanshi,
Preet, why is your camp? Yes, ma'am, you I think had logged off in between.
Yes, yes. So now
Yeah,
am
now
I visible?
Yeah, you are audible and visible both.
Okay. So children, we will begin that textbook exercises tomorrow. Let's do the revision first. So I'm going to send you the link in the Google form. First, we will do the revision of chapter number 6, Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to send you the link in the chat box.
So, ma'am, we have to calculate it in our notebook and we have
Yes,
to
all the solutions you have to do in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
and then click the final answer in the chat, in the Google form.
Ma'am, we have to send you the pics also? Or
Yes, you have to send me.
Okay.
Okay, I have posted the link.
Ma'am, if I send you the link at 12, so it is okay, no? 12
Which child
or
is this?
2 o'clock.
Devanshi. Devanshi.
Which child is this? Why Devanshi?
Ma'am, because after means Hindi class, we will.
Yes. You please start login and start submitting.
Ma'am, can you send in a classroom?
Yes, I will send in the classroom also. Children, link is there in the classroom also. You can log in from the classroom also. Start login fast. First, we are doing the revision of chapter number 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. And I will send you the Google form of chapter number 4, parts and wholes in your classroom assignments. Complete it and send me today. Yes, Preet, you have to write the answers and questions in the notebook also. Yes, Sarah.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write the answers and question also in the notebook.
I have repeated the same thing. I'm repeating now. I don't want the same question to be asked by anyone else. Yes, you have to write the question and answer in the notebook also. What happened, Krishita? You got the link?
Ma'am.
Krishita, you got the link in the chat box? Children, link is there in the chat box. Start
Yes, ma'am, it is there. It is there.
Yes.
They are doing, ma'am.
Yes, Ruchika.
Ruchika is talking.
To write everything in capital or
There are numbers only. You have to write the direct answer in the chat, Google form. And in place of multiplication, use the X sign. Don't put the space. If you have number of answers like 4, 2, 3, all the factors you have to write. So don't put the space, just put the comma. Am I clear to everyone?
Mantra, are you doing the revision, my dear? Just say yes or no. Yes, Vivan, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Children, if you're not able to complete it in the class, please complete it and send me by today before evening, before 6 o'clock.
Vihan, you are doing your work or you're talking to somebody? Vihan Patel, what happened, beta? Not able to hear you, Vihan.
Vihan, switch on your mic.
Ma'am, I am talking with my mother.
Okay. Please finish your revision, beta, first.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the link in the chat box because
it is there in the classroom also, Preet. It is there in the classroom also.
Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Renu ma'am, Vansh Kalyan joined now.
I want to talk with him. Vansh Kalyan? Vansh Kalyani, he has left, ma'am, I
Ma'am,
think.
ma'am, in the HF we have to write the multiple or the direct answer.
Direct answer.
Means from which the answer is came, that method we don't have to write. Direct
No,
answer.
method you have to do in your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I have taken the attendance twice and he was not there at all. So he has joined now only.
No, ma'am, I have not joined now.
Renu ma'am, did you see him in the
Let
class?
me, no, ma'am. Again, I want to check him also.
Yeah, because I had taken the attendance twice.
Vansh Kalyani, can you please switch on your camera? Camera is on? No. Switch on your
No.
camera.
Yeah. Yes, he has started now.
Vansh, you were there in the class from the beginning?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you doing right now? Doing something? Kalyani, I'm talking to you, Vansh. Can you please answer me? What are you doing? What I have given in the chat box to do?
Ma'am, I am joining that link only.
Okay. Join and do it. Again, once your camera is off, please switch on your camera.
Ma'am, what is meaning of assigned prime numbers? ASSIGN.
Which question number?
Question number C.
Let me check.
Assigned prime numbers.
Write the 10 numbers she have assigned to the players. Assign means, see, Seema and her 9 friends are playing in the playground. She decided to assign them the prime numbers. मतलब उनको prime numbers दिए गए, assign किए गए. आपको roll number assigned होता है ना? Right? 10, 12, 13 जो भी roll number assign होता है, दिया जाता है. That is called the assign. So, numbers greater than 10 to the players, write the 10 numbers which have assigned to the players. And that should be, which numbers? That should be prime numbers. After 10, write the next 10 prime numbers. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And you should know, before writing the prime numbers, you should know what are the prime numbers.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
till what time you are taking class?
No, ma'am. I'm going to leave it.
Yeah, because it's already 10:53.
Yeah. Okay, children, continue it. After the class also, after your next class, you can continue and then you will submit it before evening.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.